COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic has created extraordinary unplanned expenses and challenges. Among those challenges is the need to find safe and supportive emergency housing options for the elderly and those with chronic health conditions. The City of Phoenix has partnered with Central Arizona Shelter Services to address the increase of homelessness due to the pandemic. Project Haven will allow for separate units with private bathrooms. Meals, security, laundry, and other basic services will be provided on site.
The success we're seeing here with all of our team, with Todd and his staff and all of the CAST team and the City of Phoenix as partners and United Healthcare and Resilient Health and Circle the City, it's a remarkable model of giving dignity and treating senior citizens who are experiencing homelessness the way they deserve to be treated. So they get a room like this where they're safe from the pandemic as opposed to being in a large congregate shelter, and it's working. It's making a huge difference in the lives of every single person.
Charles is a guest at Project Haven and will be moving into his own apartment soon.
So this is for the city, I think our first time with like getting a hotel and putting,
Yeah,
should we do
that
more
was,
of this?
well, yeah, because if we were, in the dorms, over there on 12th Street or on over there where the old building was, and I was surprised that they put us in these types of facilities, but I thought it was a very good idea, more privacy, and,
Right.
and they seem to, work on the process a lot faster with.
Well, one exciting opportunity is the city did just receive new market tax credits, and we're looking, is that a way we can address both the healthcare needs in the community as well as more long-term solutions. This council did, at the beginning of COVID, start out by allocating dollars to fight homelessness, and that's a real point of pride that as we were going into this crisis, the first area where we focused was people experiencing homelessness because there were so many needs, but in Phoenix, we care about who is vulnerable, and that's where we said this is priority number one, and we'll go from there.